Now that you've successfully joined Filmora's Creator Monetization program, how do you earn more money with Filmora's Creator Monetization program? In this video, we'll look at a couple of strategies that you can employ to make you earn some money or more money from your Filmora affiliate links. Now, we can begin from here, copy your link. Now, the first method is by creating promotional content related to Filmora, and this could be a how-to video or new features in Filmora, and I'll give an example. I did a video on how to use the image to video feature in Filmora 14 to make couples kiss. This is a really fancy feature, and the reason for this is because you may be a photographer at a wedding and you forgot to take a video of that particular scene, and maybe the couple wanted something of that sort. If you had a good quality photos of the couple, and you can just make them digitally kiss using the AI kiss generator in Filmora, which is a good one. Now, what do you do with that? Create a video and then come here, put in your affiliate link right there. Just a quick note. It's always good to add an affiliate disclaimer. Some of these links in the description are affiliate links. I'll earn a small commission if you make a purchase at no additional cost to you. That's really important because sometimes some people need that kind of clarity. That is method one, creating promotional content or content related to Filmora. Method number two for you to earn more commission is updating older content with the new links, and also making sure that your future videos have the same links, that is the affiliate links. So I can just go back to my channel here, and I've filtered for titles containing Filmora, and I believe almost all my videos have affiliate links for Filmora. So let's assume I did not have. Let's say I click on details, open in a new tab, and from here you can just come in, copy your link here, right here, and just add it where it's required. For example, somewhere like there. Once you do that, click on save. And once you do that, you've updated old videos. Now, the reason for this is old videos still generate views. Now, if they still generate views, chances are somebody might be watching and really want to know how to use a speech to text feature in Filmora. If they click on your link, you'll make a sale. Now, the more people watch even older videos and they click on links in your video description, then you may end up making a sale, which is all that we want in this particular video. Now, please join the Filmora Creator Monetization community on Discord to know on more strategies on how to create quality promotional videos and all that. The other third one is simple. Directly sharing your affiliate links with friends, family, clients who have seen your work, or even other online groups where you may be involved in. But those are three ways that you can easily make more money with Filmora's Creator Monetization program. That is creating videos related to Filmora, updating older videos, or even particular links, and also future videos, making sure that they do have affiliate links, and then directly sharing the links with people who are interested in Filmora. Because what this does is that it increases your reach, and chances of somebody purchasing increases as well, also increasing your earning potential. So what are you waiting for? Start sharing your affiliate links today. Every time a viewer purchases Filmora using your link, you will earn a commission. The more people buy through your link, the more you earn. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.